Good morning, students. Let's continue with the lesson. Formula for simple interest, that is interest is equal to PRT upon 100, means P into R into T upon 100, where I is interest, P stands for principal, R for rate of interest, and T time in year. Practice set 40. The first sum, the principal is given 1500, rate of interest is given 9%, time that is 2 years, interest we need to find, and the amount we have to find. So what is the formula for interest? That is principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. So 1500 into 9 into 2 upon 100. Do the calculation. 15 2s are 30, 30 into 9, that comes up to 270. So you got the interest as 270. Now what is the formula to find A? That is amount, that is principal plus interest. So what is our principal? That is 1500, and now we got the interest, that is 270. So 1500 plus 270, that comes up to 1770. So Rihanna will get rupees 1770. Now we'll solve the second sum. Jetalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 from a bank at 10% for 5 years. What is the yearly interest? What is the total amount he returns to the bank? We need to find yearly interest and the total amount he returns to the bank. So what is the principal? 2,50,000, rate of interest 10, tenure 5 years. You need to find interest and amount. First we'll find interest for 1 year. Interest for 1 year. So that is I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. 2,50,000 into 10. We are finding interest for 1 year. So we are taking 1 year upon 100. 2 zeros cut. 2,500 into 10, that comes up to 25,000. For 25,000 for 1 year interest. Now we are going to find interest for 5 years. So what we will do? 25,000 into 5. So it comes up to 1,25,000. We need to find the total amount he returns back to the bank. So that is amount formula. A is equal to P plus I. What is this principal? That is 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000 interest. That comes up to 3,75,000. The yearly interest is 25,000 and he returns bank. The total amount is 3,75,000, that is 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000. The third sum, Srikanth deposited 85,000 for 2.5 years at 7% in a saving bank account. What total interest will he receive at the end of the period? Here we need to find the total interest he will receive at the end of the period. So what is the principal amount? That is 85,000. Rate of interest, that is 7, and time or tenure, what you call, is 2.5 years. You need to find interest. So again, interest formula P into R into T upon 100. So 85,000 into 7 into 2.5 upon 100. Here 2.5 has been converted to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, that comes up to 5 upon 2. So 0 0. So 850 into 7 into 5 upon 2. That comes up to 14,875 rupees. So Srikanth will receive rupees 14,875 at the end of the period. The interest on 5,000 for 4 years at certain rate of interest is 1,200. What would be the interest on 15,000 at the same rate of interest for the same period? Here they are given 5,000 as a principal, tenure as 4 years, interest that is 1,200 rupees. We need to find rate of interest. So we are going to use the same formula, that is I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. For interest, we are going to write 1200. For principal, 5000 into R, which we don't know, we are going to find it out. And T, 4 upon 100. Here, 0. So it is 50 into R into 4. R is equal to 50 into 4. That comes up to 200. That comes below 1200. 6. So we found our rate of interest. 6 is the rate of interest. Now the second part of the question. What would be the interest on 15,000? What would be the interest on 15,000 at the same rate of interest? At the same rate. So we are taking the same rate of interest and the same period, that is 4. We need to find the interest for 15,000 with R6 and T4. P into R into T upon 100. So 15,000 into 6 into 4 upon 100. 150 into 6, that comes up to 900. 900 into 4, that comes up to 3,600. So interest on 15,000 is 3,600. Pankaj deposited 1,50,000 in a bank at 10% for 2 years. What total amount will he get from the bank at the end of the period? So here the principal is 1,50,000. Rate of interest is 10. Tenure is 2 years. We need to find the total amount for that. To find the total amount, we need to find the interest. So P into R into T upon 100, that is 1,50,000 principal into 10 into 2 years upon 100. It goes out working, comes up to 30,000. Now we got the interest, that is 30,000 for 2 years. Now they want to know the total amount. So what is the principal plus interest? What is our principal? 1,50,000 plus interest 30,000. So 1,50,000 plus 30,000, that comes up to 1,80,000. So at the end of the period, you will get around 1,80,000 rupees.